Hey everyone, it's Morgan. Today, the Director of Maintenance at our Akron terminal, Josten, is going to explain the importance of daily vehicle inspection reports. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and turn on notifications for future content.
Hey guys, this is Chris, Director of Maintenance with Heyl Truck Lines. Today we're going to talk about your DVIR and how it flows through to our maintenance software in our shops. When you fill out your DVIR, it accomplishes several things. First, it keeps you DOT compliant. Second, it tells the shop exactly what's wrong with your truck. So the importance of filling these out completely and correctly cannot be overstated. So in order to create that DVIR, we're going to press your DVIR button on your screen, and then we're going to create DVIR. Now, as you see here, we need to decide what we're going to do. We're doing a pre-trip inspection, and it gives us the option to go around and take pictures of our equipment. If you find any defects, you're going to press Add Defects, which is right here. And this is going to tell you the different things that we should be checking. When you find a defect, make sure you mark it and put a clear description of what's wrong. The better your description, the better chance we have of fixing the defect the first time. Now, it's extremely important to have a clear story if you mark something wrong with the defect. Think of it this way, guys. When you mark a DVIR, it flows directly into our maintenance program, and it's the first thing the mechanics see when they pull your truck into the shop, because it goes right onto your work order. So if you say that there's something wrong with, let's say, your battery, it gives you a chance to fill in a comment. Don't just say battery. Say battery terminal's corroded, battery's weak, having a hard time starting. The more clear your story is, the better chance we have of fixing the problem correctly the first time, and not having to call you back in and say, hey, what's actually wrong with your truck? If you really want to make it easy for us, go ahead and take a picture. Just press that little camera button right there, and you can take a picture right here with your tablet, and it goes directly to your work order and gets attached so we can see what's wrong. This is really helpful when you have a tire wearing funny, if you have something loose or rattling, things along those lines. As you can see, I got the picture of our battery. I'm going to press OK. That's added to our work order now and added to our DVIR, because this goes directly into our maintenance software. Here I said that my batteries are weak and it's hard starting on cold mornings. Now, once you've filled out all of your lines, you're going to click Done, and then you're going to click Done again. Now, at the bottom of your screen, is this vehicle safe to drive? Click Safe to Drive. And then next, now you have to certify your DVIR saying that this is safe to drive. That sent it to our maintenance software. Now, when your truck gets into the shop, we'll be able to see right on our work order exactly what needs to be done with your truck. So now, when we pull that truck into the shop, we create the repair order. As soon as we click on that, we create the repair order, and it pops up at the top of the screen everything that needs to be added. If there's a recall, if you wrote something up on your DVIR, if you're overdue for an oil change, a grease job, things like that, that all pops up on your screen here. And then if we look down here, right here is that DVIR that I wrote up. You didn't have to come in and talk to the service writer. You didn't have to fill out a piece of paper, because it was already done for you when you filled in your DVIR. You can see right here that I had marked that we had some defects. So if I were to click on that, it tells me what was wrong. That our batteries are weak, it's hard starting on cold mornings, and then we can see that picture I took. When the shop is done fixing your equipment, they mark that task finished on that work order. It automatically resolves in Samsara, so you don't have to go back in there and say, is this issue resolved or not? That's taken care of for you. All you have to do is do your regular DVIR, and those previous defects will be gone. So when the shop completes their work order, they mark that task as finished. It sends a message to Samsara saying that that task is done. You notice here it's marked resolved. It will be the same on your tablet. Down here it says who fixed it, and you sign that it's done. I cannot stress enough how important it is to fill out that DVIR completely and give as much information as you possibly can so we can get that truck fixed and back on the road and you making miles as quickly as possible with no returns to the shop. Stay safe out there.